Hello guys, welcome back to another drone flight of Montreal Legends. Today we are flying here in Stanmore in northwest London. So without further ado, let's take off. Alright, so without further ado, let's just go up to the max height. What we're going to do, just going to go up to the, it's a nice little area, like a nice viewpoint here in northwest London, Stanmore. So I'm going to go up to the max height and we're going to do a 360 degree photo. Alright, so we're going to 360 photo. Yeah, it's alright, it's not that bad.
It doesn't give you any warning or stuff?
No, it doesn't give me any warning.
Ah, that's good.
Yeah, let's get a shot of the main side of Stanmore. Look at that nice, amazing forest area.
I have to watch the video. You can see much better on the big screen.
Yeah, you can see much bigger and better on the big screen, yeah. I'll go towards that way. Yeah, it's a nice little area in northwest London. What I want to do, I want to get a nice shot of the other area. Towards there's nice little houses over here in this area. Look at that, amazing.
Which way are you facing now? That way?
That way, yeah. As soon as I took off, it got cloudy. Why does that always happen to me?
I don't know.
It happened to me when I flew in just before.
Yeah. Yeah, I definitely see it.
I just come here for the viewpoint, but now I want to just get a shot of the area down there. Yeah, let's go towards the area. I want to get a shot of Stanmore Station, towards that area.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Wind's quite strong,
Yeah.
but we can get a shot down in this area. Like when I'm in a hilly area, that's when it's really windy. When I was flying where I was before, it wasn't that windy.
Yeah, of course. It's always more wind the higher you go.
Yeah.
And then especially maybe because when you're on a hill, it sometimes like combines the wind and then it's even more windy than normal.
Yeah, that's exactly what's happening right now.
Yeah. Because you know the wind has nowhere to go, so it's being pushed together, so there's even stronger wind.
Yeah. Let's get a shot in this area. That's towards Stanmore Station. Let's get a shot of Stanmore Station. It's a nice area to fly in Stanmore.
Yeah. I can try to stream, but it probably won't work again.
Why is it like spotty reception?
The sound. I don't know why the sound doesn't work.
That's strange.
I'll try that. If not, then I got to go on Twitter. Because I don't know the sound, but maybe it works now. Because maybe it's just
Nice little area to fly, Stanmore. Get a shot in this area down here.
Okay, try to go live. And people will be like, "Oh, we cannot hear you." Hello everybody, I am live, but you can probably not hear me. I don't know, let's see if anybody says anything.
Is he live?
I'm live at the moment on my YouTube channel, but it probably doesn't work. Sound.
Let's get a shot of this petrol station. Look at that amazing shot.
Which station?
Petrol station.
Petrol, Where is that? By Stanmore?
Yeah, Stanmore. Let's get more shots Stanmore. Let's go towards the station area. Yeah, it's a nice little area to fly.
Oh, hello, good night. Good night. I don't know whether you can hear me or not, because I'm streaming from YouTube and it usually doesn't work. Amando, yes, Amando. Just wondering if you guys can hear me or not. Oh, you can hear me. Oh, well, guess who I found. Oh, this time it's working. Guess who I found. You know, I was like walking in the jungle and look who I found.
Hello.
That's one true legend.
Hi guys.
Hey, hello, real OG. One true legend, that's right. We're flying a drone.
Look, there's a tractor right there.
Tractor?
Yeah, tractor.
Yeah. It's like one true legend is now flying the drone.
Yeah.
And he's gonna make a video again on his channel later.
Yeah.
But I'm glad the sound is working, because usually it doesn't work when I stream from YouTube, but right now it is. But the weather is amazing today. It's like 24 degrees, and I am the real. Oh, wait a minute. The one troublesome boy. Okay, I didn't recognize you. His name is I am the real OG, big OTB probably, or other channel.
Yeah.
Look, we're here. We met in the park. Where are you guys? Why don't you join us? Oh yeah, by the way, that is London. You can see there is Wembley Park over there, and you can see the rest of London as well. But yeah, we're gonna be here for like 10 more minutes, so come quickly. Come quickly while we're still here. The weather is perfect. I'm glad they sorted the sound out. Okay, troublesome boy is joining us soon.
Let's get a shot on this way now. I'm gonna go towards this way.
Well, I'll show you a tree. Show you a big bird on London Eye. You can actually see London Eye from here, but you won't see from the phone, so I can hardly. The phone is like beautiful tree.
Look at that. Go towards Stanmore. Yeah, it's quite hard to see London Eye from here, like from this area.
Not from here, but like from there. But it wouldn't show on a screen because it's really tiny. It's like super tiny.
You know what? Next time I come to this viewpoint, I think I'm gonna bring my camera.
Yeah, one true legend.
With my big lens.
Bring the camera.
Get some nice shots.
Oh yeah, then we can zoom in and then we can show on the live.
You can see all of the area, like London, Alexandra Palace.
Amando is gonna join us as well. Get it like G, forgot to scale like G? What would you mean? Hello, Lego. You're getting your vitamin C. I am getting vitamin C. Getting vitamin G as well. Yeah. It's like, look, one true legend, very serious.
Yeah.
This, you're gonna be able to see later One True Legends video on his channel.
Yeah, I'll put it on my channel.
I watched quite a few of them, very good quality videos. Like 4K, is it 4K?
Yeah, it's 4K, yeah.
4K, yeah.
4K 60 FPS.
60 frames per second.
Yeah. To be honest, we're gonna come back in tailwind, so it should be fine coming back.
Yeah. I think that's the thing, like when you fly in a windy condition, you need to go against the wind first, you know, just in
That's
case.
what I'm doing. I went against the wind,
Yeah.
so when you come back,
Yeah, so when you come back, then it's easy.
yeah.
Because if you go with the wind and then you're like, oh no, the battery is low.
Yeah, the wind's going to take the drone
and the
away.
drone is going like 1 mile per hour and then it dies. And
That happened to many people, and that's how many people have lost their drones.
that's how it happened to me a few times.
Really? Is that how you lost the drone?
A few, like I lost 3, but like, you know those small ones, Hobson.
Hobson, yeah?
Yeah, I don't know if they still exist, maybe they do, but those were the drones I bought like long time ago, because you could literally fly them inside your house as well.
Yeah.
They cost about £40 and they were very fast and very maneuverable.
Was it an FPV drone?
Oh, they were, but like the cheapest ones, no. But then actually I can look it up right now on Amazon. I'm sure they still exist. Hello Vanessa Franzen, hello. I am with One True Legend in the park.
Hello.
We're just waiting for everybody else to join as well. But it's quite windy today.
Let's get a shot of the station.
Especially on the mountain, because we just figured out, because we're on the mountain, all the wind gets compressed together and that's why it's even more windy. Yeah, anyway, thanks guys for joining. I'll see you in the evening. I'm gonna check whether the Hobson still exists.
Alright, let's turn around, let's come back towards this area. I'm going to show like the route to the Stanmore Forest country park. Like, this is the way we came. It's a really nice area to come.
Yeah, in the summertime.
Yeah, especially in the summertime, yeah.
Okay, I'm so curious if Hobson still exists, because
They probably still do exist.
Hobson drone. Okay, so they get big ones. Oh, I don't actually see the small ones.
Really?
Yeah.
Have they don't?
Because they literally used to be like the fit in your.
See, it's all the forest. Imagine the drone. The drone gets lost in there.
Yeah. Good luck finding.
Good luck finding it. Yeah. That's another way how people lost their drones.
Nah, see, like those Hobsons no longer exist.
Look at this amazing country park. It's amazing.
There is millions of different kind of drones, but those specific drones don't seem to exist, because I don't see any. I'm gonna try on eBay, maybe somebody's selling their old Hobson. No, I remember, because yeah, they even went down in price to like £25, and then the ones with camera were like £40. Hobson drone. Yeah, you can get them on eBay.
Let's get a shot on this area down here. There's people walking in this area. Yeah, it's a nice little area to fly. Look at it, big open forest. You can see a lot in this area. Let's get like a shot of the tree area. This is where we're standing right now. Right, I can land the drone now.
Oh, I hear it.
You know, let's get like a fast shot. Check this out. I'm gonna go down there. Look how fast it goes.
Yeah.
Amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
That is so sick. What we can do, we can come in reverse, come a bit lower. Oh, struggling on the wind.
No, it's still very fast.
Yeah, it's still fast though. Anyway, I'm gonna land it now.
How long was the flight?
I'll check in a second. About 16 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much battery is left?
14%.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the wind, so it used more battery.
Anyway, I'm going to end this drone flight here. I hope you enjoyed this video of me flying in Stanmore in northwest London. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.